Oh, now they can see me. Now can you see and hear me both? Audio, video both clear? No voice? Really? No voice? Okay. All right. So audio, video, everything is set, everything is clear. So we'll get started. In the last class, we finished discussing anatomy of flowering plants. In today's class, we will solve some questions related to anatomy of flowering plants. And like I had mentioned a few classes earlier, today we are going to solve questions related to living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, morphology of flowering plants, everything example based. Hopefully, you've all studied and come. All right. Meghna is saying Happy Teachers Day. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. We're celebrating Teachers Day on our YouTube channel tomorrow. If you can make the time, come join us. Oh God, today morning has been so chaotic. Thanks to everyone who's wished Happy Teachers Day. Shahid, you're wishing today because tomorrow my class is not there. Okay. So let's get started, guys. Everybody is ready? Give me a thumbs up. Of course, you'll have class tomorrow, but you won't have my class. All right. So, did you all study yesterday? Did you all make notes? I asked you to send pictures, but I think barely a handful of you all sent it only. Do any of you have any doubts in what was taught in the previous class, that whole chapter? Excuse me. If no doubts, then we'll move on. We'll answer a couple of questions related to anatomy of flowering plants first. Quickly start typing in the comments box. I will move aside. Look at the questions carefully, read them carefully and start answering. Put 1, 2, 3, 4 and start answering. Where should you share the notes? Ranit? Ranit, you can share it on Telegram. You can find me on Telegram. Thank you for everybody who's wishing Happy Teachers Day. My heart is so full. Nikita, Anuj, no hi, hello to each other. No making friendships here. Hi Prateek, Shubha Madhyana. Thanks Lakshmana. What do monocots lack? Okay, you finish answering, because if I try to write answers now, the questions will be blocked. You will not be able to read. I'll give you a few minutes time so you can answer it quickly. In the meantime, I'll go pick myself a bottle of water and come. Where is our Trisha, who is the quickest answer usually? Okay, Nancy has reached question number 8 already. Madhu has reached question number 10. Gunjan, I don't have my own Telegram channel or anything. If you look, if you can join the Yaqeen Neet English 2025 group, you can find me in that group. Towards center, Kirtana, what is that term, towards center? What do you call it? Technical term I want. All right, Kirtana has finished. What do monocots lack in phloem? Monocots lack parenchyma. Basically, phloem parenchyma is absent in monocots, right? Lateral meristems are absent in monocots. That is true. Lateral meristem is basically your cambium. It is absent in monocots. Epidermis in roots is also called, what do we call it? We call it epiblema. Next, number of vascular bundles in dicot root. Number of vascular bundles, number of xylem, let's say 2 to 4. If you say vascular bundle, then it will be like xylem and phloem combined. Casparian strips are present in the dash and dash walls of endodermis and roots, radial and tangential walls. Lateral roots are initiated at the pericycle. Root hair are unicellular while trichomes may be multicellular. This is true. Casparian strips are composed of suberin. Protoxylem position in roots. Protoxylem position in roots is towards the periphery, so it's exarch. Hypodermis in dicot stem is made up of collenchyma, dash in dicot stem is called starch sheath, endodermis, pericycle in dicot stem is made up of sclerenchyma, vascular bundles in a dicot stem. Vascular bundles in dicot stem are of nearly equal size, yes. Protoxylem position in a dicot stem is endarch. Water cavities are found in the vascular bundles in monocot stem. How many of you all have got all the answers correct? All done? Are they all correct? Ranit, what is pith? Hating Shri. Why are you hating Shri? Okay. Few more questions. Yes, Shakil, today is going to be only question and answer session. You got 3 wrong, Vaishnavi. Okay, that means you must revise and read more. 12 you got wrong, Sunetra. Why? Done, done. The pericycle in monocot stem is made up of hypodermis and monocot stem is collenchymatous. Okay, read the question yourselves and answer it quickly. Oh, hating is Harini. Okay, it'll take me some time to remember that. Kirtana More or More? How do you pronounce that? Anubhav, you tell me if it's open or closed, that also. More as in like a peacock more. Oh my god, Nancy is on a roll. She's finished like 21 questions already. No voice. Oh, Tawfiq has finished. He finished the 30th question. He answered. Alright. The pericycle in monocot stem is made up of. Monocot stems don't even have a pericycle. Pericycle is absent in monocot stems. Hypodermis in monocot stem is collenchymatous. No, it is sclerenchymatous. Type of vascular bundles found in monocot stem, they're conjoint and closed. Bulliform cells are found in the adaxial epidermis. Sorry, I'm coughing today. Specialized cells surrounding guard cells are called subsidiary cells. Tissue between xylem and phloem and roots is called conjunctive tissue. It's parenchymatous. Okay. Parenchyma present between vascular bundles in a dicot stem is medullary rays. Dicot stems show the presence of all types of plant tissues. Yes, you see meristematic tissue in cambium. You see parenchyma, of course. You see collenchyma in the hypodermis. You see sclerenchyma in the pericycle. You see xylem, phloem. You see everything. So that is true. Monocot leaves are also called isobilateral leaves. Dicot leaves are also called dorsiventral leaves. Bundle sheath extensions are sclerenchymatous. Bundle caps are found in dicot stem and they are made up of parenchyma. Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchymatous bundle sheath is seen in monocot stem. Vascular tissues are complex permanent. Vascular tissues are, The main water conducting component of xylem in angiosperms is vessels, which is also called trachea. How many of you answered all 30 questions correctly? Do you feel confident in this chapter now? Oh, Akshara has answered everything correctly. Congratulations, I'm very happy. Kirtana didn't know 26 and 27. Okay. Shreya has answered everything correctly. Meghna has answered 9 out of 30 correctly. Yogita has got 29 correct. Divya also has got, Divya or Diya? Diya has got 29 correct. Divya also has got 29 correct. Oh, Pratik has got most incorrect. That just shows that you need more revision. You need to pay more attention while class is going on. Find me. What is your real name? Nazia has also got all correct. Hasina Dilruba has also got all correct. Alright guys, congratulations to everybody who got all the questions correct. But those of you who made mistakes, you know that you don't know the chapter well enough yet. So study well. Okay? Alright. Now we'll move on to the MCQs. Everybody is ready? Here is the first question for the day. Easy or difficult? Let me give you 45 seconds for this. This is a question from the chapter The Living World. Nikita's got 27 correct. Okay. We'll do this more frequently. I mean, we will do this a lot. After we complete the syllabus, we'll do this like every day revision. Like half a chapter we'll take each day and we'll revise. Yes, Gnanavi. ರೇಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇ ದಿನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, choose the correct statement. Dog and wolf belong to the same order, do they? Which order is that? Carnivora, right? This is the correct answer. Dog and cat belong to the same family? No, they don't. Dog belongs to Canidae and cat belongs to Felidae. Datura and Petunia belong to family Convolvulaceae. No, they don't. It belongs to Solanaceae. Potato and brinjal belong to different genera. No, they don't belong to different genera. They belong to the same genera, which is Solanum. Solanum tuberosum, Solanum melongena, right? So, correct answer here is option A. 40. Oh, disappointing. Disappointing. Very disappointing. This is like less than 50%. Why? Tanvi, Sharmila, Walter White from England. All of them have answered correctly. I mean, they are in the top 3. Next question. Nice. Shahid has got, Howl has, okay, 7th rank. Read the question carefully. Tiger carnivora, man what? This is an analogy kind of questions. I'm so proud of myself. I created all of these questions in the morning. Tiger carnivora. Carnivora is the order. Primata, Mammalia, Hominidae, all of that you would have learnt about in classification of man. Diptera is for housefly, this you can eliminate. Among these, which is the order is what you have to identify. Mammalia is class, Hominidae is family, Primata is the order. So option A is the correct answer. Oh, I'll cry now. 32% of you. Just because man is a mammal, you thought it's mammalia. You didn't bother to look about whether it's order, class, family, what. Nancy, Tanvi, Taufik, top 3. Next question. Nirmala, if poll is not working, log out and try to log back in. Shahid, forget about the rank. As long as you got it correct, it's okay. Because if you got it correct, the rank will depend on how quickly you answered. Okay, I'll give you time to read. I'll make it 60 seconds from the next question. Okay? Okay, Hafsa, no problem. You can start answering. How can PW app not be there in the Play Store? Of course it will be there. So among this we have to find out which is incorrect, which is wrong. Man's phylum, human's phylum is Chordata, right? We all are chordates. Housefly family is Muscidae, Mucidae, however you like to call it. Wheat order is not Poaceae. Poaceae is the family. Order is Poales. This is incorrect. Mango class dicot, correct. Option C is the correct answer here. Gautam, Shruti, Kalyani, top 3. Next question. We have some new names. I'm giving you 60 seconds because you're saying there's a delay, even though it's an easy question. Oh wait, it's the same question again. Let's do this. Shweta, poll is not working. I have no idea what technical issue might be there. See, if you're getting like 81 rank, 89 rank, but you've got the question answered correctly, it should not matter. Don't worry about it. But if you answered a question incorrectly, then you should worry. Because in a class of what today, there are probably 100, 200 people watching this lecture. Among 200 people itself, you're getting like 70, 80. There are 25 lakh students attempting the actual NEET. So pull up your socks and you should start preparing more seriously and studying more hard. Datura belongs to the same family as potato and brinjal. It belongs to the family Solanaceae. Mango belongs to Anacardiaceae. So it's not mango. It's both B and C, which is option D. Not bad. There is some improvement, 61%. Ayush, Rohit, Navya, top 3. Rohit, are you the Rohit from last year's 50-day NEET challenge? Okay, so this is the new guy Rohit. Oops, same question. My bad. Okay, you already attempted that. Which question was it? It was this one? Was it this one? I think it was this one. or this one? I don't even remember. Which question was it? Just let me check 1 minute. Okay. So it was option C was correct here. Okay, no doubt, because it was repeated. See, 82% of you all have answered correctly. Instead of pressing the next slide, I had pressed the previous slide. That is why the error. Apologies, forgive me please, don't hate me. Hominidae is equivalent to which category in the taxonomic hierarchy of mango? Hominidae is a family, our family, which is mango's family. Where are you from, Shakil? So the correct answer here is Anacardiaceae. Option C is the correct answer. 57%. Shruti, Nancy, Rizwan, top 3. Next question. From biological classification, let's see how many of you will answer this correctly. Here you have to identify how many statements are correct. Next lesson we will start with plant physiology, Pratik. Photosynthesis, my most favorite chapter of all time. Do nostoc and Anabina belong to Monera? Yes, they do. Are they chemosynthetic bacteria? No, they are not. They are photosynthetic bacteria. That makes the statement incorrect. Goniolax is a diatom that causes red tides. It does cause red tide, but it's not a diatom, so this is not incorrect. It's a dinoflagellate, red dinoflagellate. Trypanosoma is a flagellated protozoan. Yes, it is. Paramecium has a gullet that opens to the outside surface of the cell. That's a line directly from NCERT. That is also true. So totally we have 2 correct statements. Correct answer is option B. 38%. Satyam, Pratiksha, Nancy, top 3. Next question. God, why have I added this question 100 times? Okay. Choose the odd one out. Alternaria, Penicillium, Coledotrichum, Trichoderma. बी को लॉक किया है सोनू जी. अगला प्रश्न. Tawfiq, I'm actually making another song for Crep Cycle as well. I think hopefully by the end of this month it will be done. I mean, I've recorded it, but I should do the video part. Everybody is answering B. Shahid says C. Don't keep your textbooks open and answer. Choose the odd one out. Option B is the correct answer. This belongs to ascomycetes. The rest are deuteromycetes. So option B is the correct answer. Not bad. 66% of you all have answered correctly. Nancy is on top. Alicia, Hafsa, girl power, top 3. Okay, next question. Match the following. Yes, the song is in English. After it's done, first, before posting it on YouTube, I will do a premiere for you all. I will show it to you first, then I will upload it on YouTube, okay? Okay, Nikita has got 18th rank. Answer carefully. Twelfth syllabus, Shahana, after we finish 11th, no, obviously. In the next 1.5 months, we'll finish 11th grade portions. Bread mold, rhizopus, parasite, albugo on mustard plant, smut fungus, Ustilago, rust, Puccinia, 3412, which is option A. 62%, Charan, Tawfiq, Rehma, top 3. Tissot, did you press C by mistake or what? Why, Divya, you couldn't answer? Repeated. Yo, what is wrong with me? Okay, let's do this question. It's easy. You know what has happened? While trying to type a new question, I've done copy slide, and it has gotten repeated. But you mark the answer now. Now just... Oh God. If it was an offline class, you guys would have killed me today, no? Okay, which question was it? Penicillium. At least let's see if 100% of you have answered this question correctly, because we had already discussed this. Let's see how smart you are. Okay, not 100%. Tawfiq, Charan, Anushka, top 3. Okay, new question. Okay, let's make it, both of them are wrong. Assertion is correct, but assertion and reason are both correct. I mean wrong. Aspergillus belongs to? Okay, so option A will be the correct answer. Both of them are wrong. This is by fluke only. Ayushi Srinivas Silsila. I don't know why you answered A, but this question is faulty. Both of them are wrong. I should have made it statement 1, statement 2, but yeah. Find the mismatch. Hey, it's not the same question. It's a different question. I checked this time, Harini. Okay, everyone saying D. Who can tell me why it is D? Why is D mismatched? But I don't think you have the option to give bonus marks here, Rohit. Trichoderma belongs to Deuteromycetes. Over there, sexual reproduction we don't know. Ascospores are sexual spores. So option D is mismatch. 71%. Nancy, Ayush, Rizwan, top 3. Okay, let me check first. It's not a repeated question. What are the common features between Spirogyra and Eulothrix? Yes, Pratik, Kannada also. What is your comment, Shruti? Sorry, I missed it. Look carefully and answer. Eulothrix and Spirogyra are both green algae. They are filamentous and they show isogamy in sexual reproduction. So 1, 3 and 4. Option C is the correct answer. Many of you are writing A. I don't know why. Wow, 50% exactly. Nancy, Kedarnath, very beautiful name Kedarnath, and Ayush, top 3. Okay. Next question, match the following type. Oh, okay. Divya hasn't attempted poll, got it. Every time you answer, it's incorrect. Why, Janani? Is that a poll error or are you saying I'm making mistakes today? See, I'll tell you what happened today morning. Okay, I I thought I'll get some time to make all of these questions and also review them. I made the questions and I came to check if everything is working fine. I turned on and the internet was not working. I had to get that fixed, and after that the audio issue was there, and then we got that fixed. So that took a little bit of time, so I could not kind of like go through the slides and see where I've made mistakes. That is why some questions are repeated, and some questions the options are not right. Look carefully and answer. I'm getting mixed response. B, many people are saying, some are saying D. The correct answer is D. A2, B4, C1, D3. %43 only. Alicia, Kedarnath, Nancy, top 3. Next question. Nikita's ranked up, 8th rank. Harini is, I think, lagging. Choose the correct statements. Porphyra and laminaria are consumed as food and belong to the same class of algae. Are porphyra and laminaria consumed as food? Yes. Do they belong to the same class of algae? No, they don't. Porphyra is a red alga, laminaria is a brown alga. Agar is obtained from Gracilaria and Gelidium, both of which are red algae, correct. Chlamydomonas is a green alga that contains pyrenoids in its chloroplast. That is also correct. So 2 and 3 are correct. Option B is the correct answer. 49%, Meghna, Ronika, Pratiksha, top 3. This is diagram based. Choose the correct option regarding the diagram given below. Suma, that means you need more practice, you need to work harder. It's okay. You realized it now, you still have time. So focus better during class and study every day. It's been 2.5 months since we started this batch. Have you all made a fixed dedicated timetable and are you sticking to it? Why should I change it to single type questions, Shruti? What difference will it make? Thank you, Deepak. Choose the correct option regarding the diagram given below. What you're seeing here is dichotomous branching. This is Dictyota, it's a brown alga. Option A is the correct answer. 67%, Siddhika, Kedarnath, Charan, top 3. Okay, next question. Yes, Janani, finish off all the backlog and then start watching the current live sessions. Choose the odd one out. Funaria, Polytrichum, Sphagnum, Marchantia. They are all bryophytes. No, Janani, don't bash yourself. Like you said, you've just started, you've bought the batch only recently. Use your time, use it as a factor to motivate yourself to do better. Don't go down that I'm not able to do well, I may not crack Neet. Don't go down that line. Just use your time well. You have 24 days in 24 hours in a day, and 8 hours or 7 hours you should sleep. And for I think 1.5, 3 times is how much? 4.5 hours you have classes. In between 1 hour you're taking breaks anyway. In the remaining time, at least 5 to 6 hours give for your preparation. Study every day. Make a timetable and stick to it. It's high time you had developed a disciplined schedule by now. But it's not late yet. You still can do it. The correct answer here is Marchantia, because that is a liverwort, the rest are mosses. 46%. Tawfiq, Sharmila, Rizwan, top 3. Raya, I thought Raya Rizwan was a boy until she texted me on Telegram and I realized it was a girl. Kavina, as much as you can, you should study. And while you study, it's not how much time you're studying that matters. What matters more is how focused you are during that time. Okay, I'll give you a timetable, like outline. So whatever, you can customize that according to what works for you. See, even our classes, we're starting at 10 in the morning. You don't have to start studying at 10 o'clock, right? Before 10 o'clock, you start by 7 o'clock. 7 to 10 o'clock, you have 3 hours in the morning itself. Choose the incorrect character with respect to Selaginella. Is it microphilous? Does it have small leaves? Is it heterosporous? Does it form cones? Does it belong to Sphenopsida? The correct answer is option D. It does not belong to Sphenopsida. It belongs to Lycopsida. So option D is the correct answer. 58%. I think not even one question we've touched like 90%. Tawfiq, Sashmita, Shantipriya, top 3. Despite telling you, I think I started telling you 2 weeks ago that we are going to have a quiz like this, start preparing, but you've not taken it seriously. Now you're crying you got a bad rank. Shakil, 730 is not your score. It can't be your score. 730 is the rank. Yeah, Farshida, such mistakes can cost you a lot in the exam. You have to be very careful while reading the question, while marking your answer at all times. Match column 1 with column 2 for housefly classification. Hey, what is this? Okay, I think I've taken it some from random question. But ignore this housefly part and answer. Prothallus is the gametophyte in pteridophytes. Gemme are found in the sporophyte. Hey, no. Gemmae are found in few liverworts. Seta is found in the sporophyte of bryophytes. Strobilus is found in equisetum. 4213. Option D. Not bad. 71%. Nancy, Tanvi, Shanti Priya, top 3. Next question. Housefly, you know what has happened? I've copied match the following, that thing from some table, and changed only column 1 and column 2. I've not seen that it's housefly at all. I just realized. So, yeah. Sunetra, you have to read the question more quickly. I'm giving you like 60 seconds of time. Unique boy, is your name Aditya? The given plant is it Selaginella? Is it a bryophyte? Is it heterosporous? Is it thalloid? How is this genius question? Yes, Rohit. Hopefully that motivation and drive will last for more than 20 hours. Nice, this is heterosporous. Who can tell me which plant this is? Okay, Sanju, since many of you are asking, we will talk about, I will make a video on the timetable and I'll share the link with you. Okay? Nice. This is Salvinia. So all of you are well versed. Option C is the correct answer. 52%. Ayush, Gladys, Snehal, top 3. Okay, this is not repeated. Somebody said guava. It does look like guava a little bit. Thank you, Nutan. You learn about guava in that phyllotaxy part where you have opposite phyllotaxy, right? It kind of looks like that. Yeah, I agree. But it's not guava, it's Salvinia. Why should I stop multiple choice? Like, what difference does it make? Can somebody explain to me? It is a multiple choice question, right? Why should I make it single choice? How will it change anything? B and D are the same. My bad. But is it the correct answer? Pinus has mycorrhizae, Cycas has unbranched stem, Cedrus has branched stem, Sequoia is the tallest gymnosperm. 4213. Let me see if I can choose both. Oh yeah, I can. Okay. Shahana, Siddhika, Rakshita, top 3. Next question. Thank you, Dinashri. Does Cycas have coralloid roots? Yes, it does. That is where the nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria are present. Is it monoecious? It is not, it is dioecious. There's a separate male and female plant. Does it have a branched stem? It doesn't. Does it have pinnate leaves? Yes, it does. Is incorrect. B and C are incorrect. Very sorry, I did not get the time to review this. Oh my God, thank you so much, Nikita. B and C both are incorrect. Diya, Akshara, Anu, top 3. There is this image in NCERT, but there is no description of that. This is called Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo. My professor taught me as Ginkgo, that's how I pronounce it. But actually I think it's Ginkgo biloba. Just like we have gulmohar and other kinds of trees as avenue trees here in India, in Bangalore at least you have a lot of gulmohar and mayflowers, those kind of plants and trees. In Germany apparently this Ginkgo biloba trees are present, and during spring the leaves will change color, right? At that time these leaves will become yellow in color, like golden yellow in color, and they are bilobed, like they will look like golden hearts, and it's very pretty to look at. One of my professors who was teaching us about gymnosperms, he had visited Germany and he had shown me pictures of this and it was super pretty. Okay. Imagine you're walking on the road and golden hearts are falling on your head. Tawfiq, Alicia, Rizwan, top 3. Okay, we are moving on to morphology. Why is it option D? Who can tell me? It's option D because these guys are stem modifications and this is a taproot modification. So option D is the correct answer. Tanvi, Anu, Vansh, top 3. Okay, Kirtana. My birthday is over, Tawfiq. Still truths. Sugarcane pneumatophores are found in Rhizophora. Mangrove plant. Option B is the correct answer. I expected like 90% in this question at least. Nancy, Tanvi, Vansh, top 3. How many more questions do we have? Okay, a few more only. Choose the correct statements. How can we know if it is odd one? You have to kind of find like a pattern. Like for example, everything was bryophyte, right? In Funaria, Polytrichum, Sphagnum and Marchantia. So of bryophytes, what are the different types? You have liverworts and mosses. That is the direction to think in. Or you can think which one is, if you look at the options only, then you can connect. Right? If you've understood the concept, by looking at the options, you will be able to connect. Axillary buds are modified into spines in citrus and bougainvillea. Are they? Are they modified into spines or are they modified into thorns? This is wrong. Stem is flattened and photosynthetic in Opuntia. Yes. Leaf tendrils are found in cucumber and pumpkin. No. Tendrils are found, but they are not leaf tendrils. They are tendrils formed from the axillary bud. Neem leaves are pinnately compound. Yes. Silk cotton is palmately compound, right? Yeah. Adventitious roots are seen in Monstra and Banyan. Yes. So 2, 4, 5 are correct. Option C is the correct answer. 40% Gunjan, Dronica, Nancy, top 3. Next question. क्लास कब तक चलेगी? 11:30 तक. रूप राम नेहरा. जब तक है जान चलेगा तब तक. Petiole is expanded and performs photosynthesis in Australian acacia. It forms a phylloid, right? So here option B is the correct answer. Almost 80%. Tawfiq, Tanvi, Alisha, top 3. Good job guys. Tawfiq, Alisha, very frequently we hear, I see these names in the top. Good job. Pea plant does not exhibit it does exhibit diadelphous condition. It does show pulvinous leaf base. It does show papilionaceous corolla where you have axillary estivation in the petals. It does not show axial placentation. It shows marginal placentation. So correct answer here is option C. 72% Nancy, Rizwan, Rama, even Rizwan, Rama, very frequently I see these names. Nancy also. Good job. Choose the odd one out with respect to phyllotaxy. Oh my god, not phyllotaxy, symmetry. Before you start, abusing me and saying you've made a wrong question, I've changed it. Canna is the correct answer. It's asymmetrical. Mustard, datura, chili are actinomorphic. So option B is the correct answer. Not even one question 90% of you have got or 100% of you have got. One, Sharmila, Alisha. Everybody is saying Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day. You know what makes teachers happy? When we see 100% correct answer here, that is what makes us most happy. That means you've learnt everything. That means you've understood everything. That means you're working hard. That means our efforts are bearing fruit. Okay, Kirtana, I'll make videos on all that and answer. Anatomy, in the beginning only we solved, no? Anatomy, you don't have examples. I told you that today's class will solve MCQs based on examples. What example do you want me to give in anatomy? Axile placentation, China rose, tomato, lemon. Option A is the correct answer. 79% of you. Nancy, Tawfiq, Tanvi, top 3. That's the end of questions for today's class. Let's take a look at our leaderboard. We have Sashmita, who's answered 27 out of 30 questions correctly. Congratulations. Congratulations, Sashmita. And then we have Tanvi, who's answered 25. Look at like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them have answered 25 questions out of 30 correctly. Tanvi, Alisha, Siddhika. Siddhika is also very consistently a good performer. Congratulations. Mishti. Mishti means sweet, no, in Bengali. Nice, sweet name. Nancy, Lakshmi, Shruti, Kavina, Supriya. All girls. Okay, we have one Supriya more, we have Kirtana more. Are you twins or cousins or anything? Congratulations to all the toppers. Even the 10th rank has answered 7 questions incorrectly. I know that the poll may not have worked for you, some of you. As long as you know that you've answered the questions correctly, it's fine. That's all that matters. Alright? Please come prepared. When I tell you multiple times before conducting a quiz, if I see response like this, it will make me very sad. What is a 32% correct answer or 40% correct answer? It's very disappointing. I will feel like I have not taught properly. So please study and come for the next quiz. Don't disappoint me. Alright, I'll see you again on Monday sharp at 12 o'clock. Until then, don't waste time. Study well. Whatever questions you've asked right now, how to prepare, how to revise, I'll make videos for that and share the link with you. So take care guys, don't waste time, don't take things for granted. It will seem like you have a lot of time right now, but actually time is very limited. You will never know how quickly the time will fly. So don't waste even a single minute, study really well. Okay, bye bye, thank you. I think it's the first time we have never turned off the chat. Like today's class is the first time we have not turned off the chat at all. Everybody is talking their hearts out, right?